What's going on, guys? Anastacio here with FlytPath.com. Today's quick tip, I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about using grids. Now, grids have actually been around for a while now, but I think a lot of people either don't know about it or just don't use it. Now, if you want to compose your shot properly, you might want to turn those on. It helps you line up your shot, helps you compose it a little bit better. So in this video, I'm just going to give you this quick tip on how to turn it on and how I use it. So here we are, we're at Mission Bay here in San Diego, California. There is just a little small pier right here where a lot of people use it to either bring out their paddle boards and things like that. So I'm just going to show you exactly what I would do here and how do I utilize and turn on grids in order for me to line up that little dock properly. So what you want to do is go ahead and launch the DJI Go 4 app. You're going to go on the right side and under settings right here, right below the shutter button, you're going to hit that settings. And you're going to see the three icons up top. What you're going to want to do is click on the gear icon, scroll down, and you'll see a thing called grid. Right now it is set to none. What you're going to want to do is, what I use is grid and diagonals. Click on that. And as you can see here on my screen, there is an actual panel of 9 squares now. So you have a grid system with the center point right there in the middle. So what you want to do is really utilize these grids. So when you're shooting something, like you're shooting a horizon, you're shooting on the water, you want to be able to use these grids to also line it up. You want to be able to line up and make sure that water is nice and leveled. If you're shooting something and you want to make sure it's dead center, these grids really help you to do that. So as you can see here, I'm going to be flying right above this right here. So this is what I want to keep in my frame. I want to be able to keep this little dock right here, right in the middle of my frame. So I'm going to fly, and as you can see with my grids, I'm going to fly right to the center of it first, and then I'm going to do some top-down shots. There you go. So using the grid, I have my dead center point right here. Now what I'll do is go right above it. So I want to actually take a top-down shot. So what I'm going to do is bring it up just like that. So there's my top-down shot. Now, as you can see here in my screen, I am right above it. My crosshairs are right in this bottom portion of this dock, and you can see that space-wise, I am dead center. Now, what I'm going to do here is switch this into manual mode. I want to make sure that I am at my lowest ISO. I'm going to be doing some photos. Right about there looks good. So as you can see, there is some high wind here. It did shift a little bit. Because it's windy, I want to make sure my shutter speed is as high as possible. That way I'm not going to get any movement, any shake, or any blur in my photo. I'm going to bring this over and recenter it, turn it just a little bit. Let me come up just a tad. And then that looks pretty good right there. That way I'm dead centered. I have a little bit of sand, a little bit of water, and of course the dock in the photo, which is exactly what I want to have. I want to make sure I'm also shooting it raw so that you can actually have full control over the post-production on it. And that looks pretty good. Take the photo there. And like I mentioned, if you want to look at your horizon, you can also use this. Utilize the grids. Make sure you're using the rule of thirds, things like that. So have that grid system up. That looks like a great picture right there. Make sure it's in focus. Snap away. So there's my quick tip for this week. I hope you guys got some value from my video. And if you did, smash that like button before you leave. And also, if you guys are using grids, let me know down in the comments, what are you guys using them for? What's another creative way for you to use grids? I just showed you a quick one that I normally do when I fly right above a subject and how I line it up. Let me know how you guys use it. And if you guys got some value, like I said, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. This is Anastacio of FlytPath.com. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.